I handle calls for both Medicare and the Affordable Care Act lines, taking calls from families that experience very serious challenges. We are the reason Maximus has been awarded billions of contract dollars. We do the important work. We deserve living wage. We have lives outside the workplace and families that rely on us that we bring to the table. None of these Maximus executives with their $1 million paychecks can look us in the eyes and explain how our low wages are supposed to support an entire family. This is why I'm organizing with my coworkers to win our union and respect. Because when we began talking to coworkers and making demands for change, Maximus refused to listen. And instead, Maximus launched an anti-union campaigns. The company spread anti-union communication to scare us away from organizing. And they even fed us misinformation about joining a union during our work meetings. They tried to discipline me for just putting a sign at my desk. Maximus knows that when we come together, that we have the power. And they are scared of us coming together. So they spread the fear among workers to divide us and keep us under control. Now we know the change we need only will come when we win our union and we can sit down to negotiate a contract. We demand that Maximus stop all the fear, intimidation, interference, and respect our freedom to choose our unions for ourselves. Everything we have ever won as workers, we had to do so through the fight of management. So if Maximus executives are not willing to address our demands and make a real change, we plan to start. They can plan to start making plans on answering phones during open enrollment because we are ready to strike. Because when we move, they move. Just like that. Just like that. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace.
Who's got the power?
We got the power.
What kind of power?
Union power.
Who's got the power?
We got the power.
What kind of power?
Union power.
Now I bring to you all Miss Delilah Evans.
Hello, my name is Delilah Evans. I am a Maximus employee. I do work over at the call center. I've been there. I'm a tier 2, and I've worked there for 10 years since the very first training class when the call center was opened in 2013. Like many of us, I expected that doing federal work that I could receive better pay and better working conditions. But that's not the case. Maximus has kept us in poverty with low wages and poor work conditions. Like many other Maximus call center workers, I am a mother of 3 children, and several of my family members have worked for Maximus. I know firsthand that this company does not care about us. I'm also a 2-time cancer survivor. Through my health challenges, I've had to struggle with Maximus health care coverage, or even just to get time off to take care of myself and my family members. I've had to really fight to get time off for bereavement so I could bury family members who've passed away. This is how Maximus treat a family that has given so much labor and commitment. Now, but yet at the same time, when your grandparents have a question about their Medicare, I walk them through this complicated health system and make sure they get the help they need. I do that day after day. And as call center workers, we prepare to provide access to affordable health care for the entire country. Meanwhile, we do not have affordable health care, and neither do our own families. There is no reason for this, and we deserve better. We've been devalued and disrespected, but now we're fed up. Now, before I was called a call center worker, I worked at the chicken plant in college, made more, better everything. I signed on to be a call center worker because, as I stated earlier, I expected doing work for a federal contractor would provide better pay, better benefits, and conditions. Maximus even promised that their contract would boost our economy with better compensation for workers. Also, now, but joining Maximus from the chicken plant, I did take a pay cut, and I've been at the call center from the start, and from the beginning, Maximus has kept our wages below the typical wages in every county. They placed a call center. Maximus management has made a decision to keep us in poverty. If they don't listen to our condition, we have no other choice but to prepare to go on strike. Phones down.
Fist up.
Phones down.
Fist up.
Now, I would like to introduce to you all Miss Anna Fleming. She will close us out. Thank you all for coming out.
Good afternoon, everyone. Of course, most of you may know or may not. My name is Anna Flemings. I am a CSR Tier 2 here at Maximus. I have been here since 2016. Matter of fact, last month made 7 years. Today, you have heard our demands. At this time, I would like to call forward President Johnson, Ms. Welton, Congressman Thompson, and of course, President Cummings to come and stand with me as I close out this rally for 2023 for Maximus workers. Okay, so everyone that's here, please look to my left and to my right. These individuals, President Johnson, Ms. Welton, Honorable Congressman Thompson, and of course our President, newly elected Claude Cummings. Remember this day, on September 7th, 2023, these individuals came and are supporting us as we organize and fight Maximus. Please remember, when we fight, we win. And this is a clear message to the bosses of Maximus. Please meet our challenges and what our requests that we are asking you for. It will help us support our families. And please remember, when unity comes together, we unionize. So again, we would like to thank each and every one for coming. Now, I do have a few expectations for our members who are Maximus workers or people to help us continue this. We are calling on all Maximus workers to go and join Strike Pledge if you have not, and also encourage your other co-workers to sign. Also, we pledge for our many and allies that wants to help and get behind us to support our Solidarity Fund, which helps us when we go on strike. Now, please remember to follow us on social media, Call Workers United, and visit our website. If you have any questions, please reach out to any committee, organizing person, or any person. We are here. And remember this, when we move, just like that. And when we fight, we win. Thank you, and y'all have a great day. Okay, can we please acknowledge the Machinists Union? Okay, thank you guys for coming. Most of you I see to the AT&T or Bell South union workers. And any other unions, please stand. Thank you so much. Public sector. And again, we definitely appreciate your support in this effort with us. Again, thank you so much for coming. We understand that it is hot today in Mississippi, but on hot days we win.
When we fight,
We win.
when we fight,
We win.
when we fight,
We win.
for justice,
No peace.
for justice,
No peace.
for justice.
No peace.
We don't get no justice. We don't get no justice.
Peace.
Everywhere we go.